So step number 2, which I jumped the gun on before, I do apologize, and that is, let's meet you. Let's introduce you to your Charlie chatbot. And I got to tell you, the experience I had with setting up my chatbot, I actually found to be quite seamless. It made sense to me. Maybe I'm a little bit logical in that respect. But certainly when you are looking at deploying Charlie, you need to understand that this needs to be a very simple process. I'm a big fan of KISS, keep it simple, silly. So when you are looking at your messaging funnels, you know, include the yes, no. If they say no, what next? If they say yes, what's next? Ensure each step along the process does collect that relevant data, the name, the email, a postcode, whatever the data is relevant to you. So once again, that's a conversation that you'd probably have as part of step 1.
Yeah.
Also in here, I'm a big fan of test and measure, but I'm also a big fan of check everything once, twice, and just check it again to be on the safe side. Make sure that your links are actually working. If you're going to be giving away a freebie at the end of the funnel, which is fantastic, team, make sure the link works. There's nothing worse than clicking on a link and you end up in cyber la land.
Yeah.
And then I guess when you're looking at deploying Charlie, number 3, the 4th key point there is confirm, does Charlie chatbot actually achieve what you want it to achieve? Now, Mike, I had a really interesting conversation a few days ago with a business who had utilized another chatbot product, which shall remain nameless.
Yeah.
And what I found really interesting in the conversation was that for her, she wanted it essentially, she wanted Charlie to basically have a full-blown conversation and allow for different variables. Now, this is a real simple yes, no, depends answer, but that's the beauty about Charlie, isn't it? Is that he does have this flexibility and adaptability for you to either create a singular funnel or multiple funnels. Yeah?
Correct. Absolutely.
Cool.
Absolutely. It's just like an IVR system through a telephone. When you're going through Telstra, and the voice one never works anyway, but you know, you can press the buttons and get through to the end point. But
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.